In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a newsletter on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First off, we're going to head over to Gumroad. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Just go to the Gumroad website and click on the Sign Up button. For those of you who already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is where the magic happens. Now, once you're on your dashboard, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. There you will find several options to choose from. You'll want to click on the Email option. This will take you to the section where you can manage your emails and newsletters. Now we're at the point where we're going to create a new email, so go ahead and click on the button that says New Email. This is where the fun begins. You'll be prompted to give a name to your newsletter. Make sure you choose something catchy and reflective of the content you're going to provide. Think about your audience and what would draw them in. For example, if your newsletter will cover topics related to health and wellness, something like Wellness Weekly could work well. After naming your newsletter, it's time to move on to the description. The description is crucial because it gives potential subscribers an idea of what they can expect from your newsletter. Try to keep it concise yet informative. Let them know the kinds of topics you'll cover, how often they can expect to hear from you, and any unique features that set your newsletter apart. This is also your chance to convey your personality and style, making it clear why they should subscribe. Once you've crafted both the name and description to your satisfaction, you're nearly done. The last step in this initial setup is to save your changes. You should see a Save button usually located at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and click that. Just like that, your newsletter is officially set up. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk a little bit about next steps. You have your newsletter ready, but now it's crucial to start thinking about how you will attract subscribers. One effective method is to share the newsletter link on your social media platforms. Invite friends, family, and any other interested parties to sign up. You can even offer a little incentive, like a discount code or exclusive content for the first few subscribers. Another great tip is to consistently engage with your followers through social media or by blogging. Share snippets of what they might find in your newsletter so they feel drawn to subscribe. Consistency is key, and providing value in each issue of your newsletter will keep your readers coming back. Once you begin to build your subscriber list, make sure to monitor feedback and engagement levels. Encourage your subscribers to reply to your newsletters with questions or comments. This interaction is invaluable, and it will help you refine your content even further. You want to create a community around your newsletter, and engaging directly with your readers will help you do just that. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to set up your very own newsletter on Gumroad. Remember to keep your content fresh, interesting, and tailored to how your audience interacts with you. Good luck, and I can't wait to see how your newsletter evolves over time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy